Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on Amazon Fire. Your first step is to open your Fire device settings. Navigate to the Security and Privacy section, then locate and turn on the Apps from Unknown Sources option. This crucial step allows your device to install applications from sources other than the official Amazon App Store, which is absolutely essential for our entire process. You will need to confirm this change. Now, you need to download 4 essential APK files directly onto your Fire device. The first file is Google Account Manager, followed by Google Services Framework. Next, download Google Play Services itself, and finally, the Google Play Store APK. It is extremely important to install these 4 files in this exact order to ensure they function correctly and smoothly. With the 4 Google Service files successfully installed in order, your Google Play Store app should now be fully functional. Open the Google Play Store, then sign in with your existing Google account or create a new one. Once you are logged in, simply search for Brawl Stars in the search bar. You can then download and install the game directly from the Play Store, just like on any other Android device. If you experience any issues, such as crashes or performance problems, try clearing Brawl Stars cache and data from your device's app settings. Should the problem persist, a complete reinstallation of Google Play Services and Brawl Stars often resolves it. Remember, ensuring your Amazon Fire device has adequate storage and system resources will significantly enhance your gameplay experience. Enjoy playing Brawl Stars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.